Hi, Gideon. Oh my, I'm so sorry to hear about your experience with that business. I would like to encourage you not to give up. There are not so many people who have the courage to start anything. Just the fact that you started something, that puts you in such a special category. So try again. Don't give up. Consider the past experience as a learning experience and do it again. There are so many trustworthy people out there. You just have to look hard enough because, it's like finding the diamonds in the rough. You have to go through so many to find the trustworthy people. And trust is a big thing because if you are considering any expansion of any sort, you'll have to trust other people to do things for you. Delegate. That's the only way expansion will come about. But keep the dream alive, keep the vision alive. The right people will be drawn to you. Just become your best self, and they are there. I trust they are there. So keep the dream alive. Talk to you soon. This is Mother Eagle. Bye.